Branching statements. Branching statements are used to change the normal flow of execution in some conditions. So Java provides 3 branching statements: break, continue, and return. Break, we've used it before. It's used to terminate loops or switch statements. Control of the program moves to the next statement following the loop. Continue is used to continue the loop. When the continue statement is executed, control of the program jumps to the end of the loop, and the loop condition is evaluated. So that leaves us with return, and that's used to exit from the current method, and the control flow returns to where the method was invoked. All right, so let's do some examples with branching statements. We're going to start with a break statement. So in the exercise project, just right-click on the source folder and select New Class. Specify the package name as branching and the class name as break statement, and select the checkbox for the main method. Okay, so first, we'll use a break statement in a switch case statement. Let's declare a variable a with the initial value set to 0. Conditional switch expression is variable a. We have 2 case values. First one is 0. And if the value of the variable is 0, then we will print high to console, and we'll add the break statement. So let's copy the code and change the case value. And if the value is 1, then we will print hello to console, and we'll use the break statement again. So let's run the code, and you see hi as a message in the console. So let's change the value of the variable with a 1, and let's run the code. Now you see hello as the message in the console. So let's change the value of the variable with a 0. Now, if we don't use a break keyword in the first case, what will happen? So let's remove the break keyword from the code. And now let's run the code. You see the hi message and the hello message in the console. So all the cases will be executed until it sees the break keyword. That's why it's recommended to put a break after each case. So now let's use the break statement in the standard for loop. So in the for loop, we declare a variable of I with the initial value 0. Our condition is I is less than 10, and it increments by 1. So if I equals 7, we'll use a break statement to terminate the loop. And we'll use the print method to write the numbers to the screen. So now let's run the code. And you see the numbers from 0 to 6. So in this code, when the value of the variable I becomes 7, if the condition is evaluated to be true, then the break statement terminates the loop. Okay, so let's now use the break statement anywhere. Let's see what happens. So let's declare the variable number with an initial value being 100. So if the number equals 100, we will try to use the break statement. But look at that, we get an error because break cannot be used outside of a loop or a switch. Remember that.